Hey guys, I just wanted to shoot a video of my finished bandsaw. I've been meaning to post a video of this for a while now, but I never really found the time. It was based off Matthias Wandel's plans. I think it turned out really nicely. I also built the stand for it, somewhat based on his plans, but it's mostly just off my head. I'll give you a short tour of it. Brass blade guard, just real thin sheet metal. I had to make all the blade guides with just normal nuts and bolts, and there's a bearing from an old pair of rollerblades. You can take off the tensioning cap, take off the cover. There's the inside of the saw. I got the bearings from a small machine shop in town. They had to order them. They were about $75 for the bearings, and the shaft was about 13 bucks. I'll show you the bottom lid. I'm sorry, I gotta take off the other cover here. Here's the bottom wheel, and the dust just falls through that hole mostly. The stand is not quite finished. This drawer does not have a bottom yet, so it's super useless. And then this drawer is really big, and it's got 2 tool chests in it covered in sawdust. So I gotta make a bottom for that drawer pretty soon to actually catch the sawdust. But here, I'll fire the bandsaw up and you can see it run. Piece of scrap, 1/4-inch plywood, some old paneling from the 70s. Produces a very nice cut, no tear out at all. And the quality of the cuts on this bandsaw is beautiful. Here's a piece of maple plywood. Once again, no tear out, beautiful cuts. Could not be happier with this saw. I'll show you the tilting tables here. Sorry about that. My iPod, I think, ran out of memory. It's only 8 gig. Yeah, I'll show you the tilting tables on the saw. Really good design on them. They work very smoothly. Loosen this up real quick, a little bit more. Spoke too soon. Jamming up on me here. There you go. So, tilts to 45 to the right, and it works very, very well. I made my own wooden star knobs here because they're way too expensive. But very happy with the saw. Thanks for watching. See you later.